I salute you, my friend. Welcome to this session. We'll be talking about percentage increase. And remember, before you increase a quantity or before you increase maybe price, you must have the original. And the original is always 100% before you increase. So, for example, in this case, you are told to increase 120 shillings by 25%. Meaning, we have original, you must get the new, that is what you are told to get because you want to increase. So the original percentage is 100%. The new one, you'll get the new one after increasing the original 100% by 20%. So you say 100, you increase, you add, you'll get 125%. That is our new percentage. Remember, this one is the original. This is what you're increasing. Before you increase, you have 120%. That is 120 shillings. Meaning, it is equivalent to 120. 120 shillings is equivalent to 100%. So make this equation of comparison. 100% is equivalent to 120 shillings. What about the new one, 125%? Cross multiply. Percentage, you cancel the percentage. The number which is cross multiplied to this nothing here will be our numerator, to be our denominator, sorry. So we have 100 below there. Then you say we have 125 times 120 by 0 by 0. By 5, you will get 2 because of 10, you have 25, you will have 5 there. By 5, you will have 2. By 2, 1. By 2, 6. For you to get the correct answer, you multiply 25 times 6. 6 times 5, you will get 30. You have 0, carry 3. 6 times 2, you will get 12 plus 3, you will get 15. So the answer becomes 150 shillings after increasing. Remember, by increasing, you're supposed to get a bigger number than 120. You can use example 2. The price of a book is 400 shillings. If the price is increased by 15%, what will be the new price? You must know the original. Then what you want to get now, the new. What was the original percentage? The original percentage before increasing, it is 100%. Now, the question is talking about after increasing by 15%. The original percentage was 100%. Then, you add by 15%. What are you supposed to get? You will get 115%. This one is our original before increase, 400 shillings. So, the original 100% is equivalent to 400 shillings. So you will make this comparison, you have 100% is equivalent to 400 shillings. What about our new percentage, or our new price, cross multiply? The number cross multiplied to nothing becomes our denominator. So we have 100 below. Then we have 115 times 400 by 0, by 0, by 0, by 0. So you have 115 times 4. 4 times 5, yes, you'll get 20, 0, carry 2. 4 times 1, you get 4, plus 2, you get 6. 4 times 1, you get 4. So you get our new price is 460. That's money. That is the right answer. After increasing, remember we're increasing. The original was 400. We have increased. You get 460. This is more complicated. Let us do this one now. Increase 300 by 7.5%. You have original, which becomes 100%. Then we have the new. Remember the original was 100 plus 7.5. You'll get 107.5%. Change this one to improper fraction, you multiply here. You get 107 times 2. 2 times 7, you get 14. 4 carry 1. 2 times 0, you get 0 plus 1. You have 1. 2 times 1, you get 2. Plus 1, you get 215 over 2%. This is our new quantity. So now you make equation. This one was our original. This is what we are increasing. So that one is our original. So it is equivalent to 100%. This is 100% equivalent to 300. 100% is equivalent to 300. What about our new percentage? 215 over 2%. Cross multiplied. The number which is cross multiplied to nothing will be our denominator. So we will have 215 over 2 cross multiplied to 300. Then our 100 will be below. Make sure this is on the denominator side. By 0, by 0, by 0, by 0. So you will get 215 times 3. 3 times 5 you will get 15. 5 carry 1. 3 times 1 you will get 3. Plus 1 you get 4. 3 times 2 you get 6. That is not the correct answer. Remember we have 2. So you say 645 divided by 2. Divided by 2 you get 3 because of 6, 0. Draw 4. 4 divided by 2 you get 2 because of 4 you have 0. Draw 5 and you get 2 because of 4 we have 1. Let me write here. We have 1. Since we are dropping our numbers, you add a decimal point, then add a 0. 10 divided by 2, you will get 5 because of 10. 0. So the answer becomes 322.50 because it's money. Those are shillings. That is our new, there was no shilling. So that is our new quantity after increasing by 7, 1 over 2. Let us do this number 4. The height of a school compound wall is increased by 15%. What is the new percentage? Sorry for that. The height of a school compound wall is increased by 15%. What is the new height of the wall if it was 140 originally? This was the original one. So we have original. It's always 100% before increasing. Then you also told that one is 140 centimeters. What about if you increase by 15%? The new one will become 100 plus 15, you get 115%. You can cross multiply from there. The number which is cross multiplied to nothing will be below, so that is 100. Then we have 115 times 140. By 0, by 0, by 2, 5, by 2, 7, by 5, 1, by 5, 2, 3. So the answer becomes 23 times 7. 3 times 7, you get 21. 1 carry 2. 7 times 2, you get 14 plus 2, you get 16. So we have 161 centimeters. That is what you get after increasing by 15%. You need to use more examples.